Hi, I'm Coach Jamie with ShiftSetGo. We're here doing another recipe for you. Big Mac in a bowl. This is a super simple recipe. What you need is 8 ounces of lean ground beef, cooked and drained of any fat. We need a 1/4 cup of sliced peppers, a 1/4 cup of onion, a 1/4 cup of tomatoes, and a 1/2 cup of diced pickles. You're gonna take 2 cups of lettuce. You're gonna put that right into a big bowl. Just like that. And then you're gonna take your 8 ounces of lean burger. Just sprinkle it right on the top there. And then we're just gonna start adding our veggies in. So you're gonna take your peppers, just like that, your diced onion, your tomatoes. This makes such a hearty meal, it's amazing. And of course, your pickles, which is the most important part. Just like that. And then you can use your Walden Farms dressing. We're using a Chipotle Ranch today. You could use a Thousand Island or any really dressing that you'd love from Walden Farms. Just go ahead and drizzle that on the top. Just like so. This recipe serves 1, so this whole recipe is 8 ounces of protein and is 1 1/4 cups of vegetables and 1 extra for your dressing. And there you are, end result. Beautiful meal. Hope you enjoyed it.